Welcome to my channel. Now we share the essay of the parrot. Parrot is my favorite bird. Number 2. It is a very beautiful. Number 3. It is a pet bird. Number 4. It has a red beak. Number 5. It has a green feather. Number 6. Parrot eats grains, fruits, vegetables. Number 7. It is found in many colors. Number 8. It is found in every country. Number 9. It lives on trees. Number 10. Its voice is very sweet.